Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening.
Episode 241 Fashion Entrepreneurship 101 Where to Begin? Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fashion Marketing Podcast, a podcast by ebooksforfashion.com. I'm Maristella and I'm your host here at the Fashion Marketing Podcast. So today's episode is a very short episode because I want to explain you better in the next episode, but I want to give you just quick tips and tricks. So today is all about Fashion Entrepreneurship 101. So if you are starting a fashion business from scratch, sometimes can feel like trying to understand the inner workings of a sitcom plot. Confusing, but also entertaining. So that's where eBooks for Fashion Start for Fashion course come in. We break down the essentials of fashion entrepreneurship, step by step, so you can go from newbie to fashion pro. So are you ready to kickstart your fashion journey? So don't worry, I'm gonna put everything in the show notes. And I want to have you in Start for Fashion course because I'm sure it will help you to step by step go from a newbie to a fashion pro. Let's begin. Learn the ropes at ebooksforfashion.com and embark on your path to fashion greatness. Stay ambitious, stay true. And I wanna see you in the next episode. And I wanna see you inside Start for Fashion course. Thank you so much for listening and talk to you in the next episode. Bye for now.